Uyanga Minister of Wendi wasidiswe chikunga auna dzunga khombo zoetea wanga vunjidzo vigwawo nga nta khombo ntifedzi. Minister wa vachikotaro chezenga khombo kuranisa ya kwa mavunja zvendi kabada kurani ya entry ngeitsini na Hilton vundeni la KwaZulu-Natal. Minister vari atuva mashutu mavi a khombo ya verera kamucho wa khuli.
Allow me to express my profound disappointment and displeasure at the high rate of crashes and fatalities experienced during this Easter long weekend. The total number of fatal crashes this year is 185, resulting in 225 fatalities, as opposed to the same period the previous year, when we recorded 135 fatal crashes that resulted in 161 fatalities.
Vajendi zilina laranga zibada fano kala Afrika Chipembe Central vari mpalambalo zikusumbedza una wengedzi ya wendi kambada kuranedza ubvana ujena vundeni la Gauteng ngeno vaendanga nayo vachikubvera phanda na ukwame yanga chivalo chirentha nga percentage za 49 za dzimfu za badani. Vanameli vazhendidzi vokwame yanga percentage za 2 ngeno varili vokwame yanga percentage za 5.
This was an exceptional year compared to 2020 pre-COVID, 2021. And let's have it in mind that why we're saying this, we'll recall that one of the largest churches was closed.
Movie go muhasho wazwa wendi wanulisori khombo njize obverera vukati ya waravu rarunga madau chana waravu fuminga machiruni. Percentage za futera tika khombo za badani zovangi wanga urira nga usaronda katina wara. Variri vapatos gidi za furaru vone wanda tisemrandi ya badani ngeno variri vachigidi na madana matano na maviri vofarelo urira nga rubiro rukarurao.
Richibu ya maragani badopfanga fungola bagwarabi mugunduni waliphalale panokotoda lihoro lichibisa thandururo khandwa ya chiduro chenevorobo phanda musi komiti ya zwa mishumo ya lihoro la ANC ichidalira fundula Limpopo mafere na inobege.